Elemake sent me one of their keyless mechanical deadbolts to install and test out, so this video is sponsored by them. Big thanks to Elemake for letting me try out this awesome looking lock. To set the pin code, you need to go to the back of the lock and remove the Phillips head screw that is in the dead center of the back of the lock. Once that's removed, lift up on the bottom of the keypad and the whole thing should pop right out. The default code is the gold tumblers. These are the silver, these are the gold. So this code would be by default 125690. You can press these in any order and it will unlock. To reset this code and add your own code, I'm gonna only use 4 just for the demonstration of this video. They come with 4 extra silver tumblers. You can make the code 4 to 6 digits. First thing that you do to reset this is turn that to the left. That'll push out all of the tumblers. I'm gonna remove the 6. I'm gonna remove the 5, and I'm gonna insert 2 of the silver ones. I accidentally pushed one of those all the way in, so I'm gonna reset it again by turning the knob to the up position. And now to set the code, I'm gonna push in the gold tumblers. Now to test if this worked, you wanna turn this knob to the right, clockwise, and it should open. All right, that worked. If this were to lock up, that means you do not have your pin set correctly. Once your pin is set, you can put the top back on by installing the 1 Phillips head screw in the middle. Before we put this on the door, I do want to make sure that it opens. See that it's locked right now, it won't open. Let's put in our passcode. And it opens. And it doesn't matter what order the passcode is in, it'll still work. My door meets the requirements for this deadbolt, but first I need to uninstall the old deadbolt held in by 2 Phillips head screws. On my door, this latch needs to be extended. To do that, I'm just gonna turn this to extend these holes. I want this part right here on the bottom where there's more gold. And this black thing right here is gonna be pointing towards the inside of the door. Slide that in. You've got 2 different lengths of screws that are supplied. We're gonna use the longer ones first. Line this up with the same direction that this is going. You may have to wiggle it in there. This gold back piece, you want these little nipples facing away from the door. The words facing up. Line the screw up. Testing out the operation from inside. Open to the left, lock to the right. Now you can lock this without putting in the passcode from the outside. Let's put in our passcode. Should you forget your passcode, it does come with 3 sets of spare keys. I've been using this lock for a week now, and it is extremely convenient not having to bring keys around. It is mechanical, so you don't have to worry about the battery dying, which is also a plus. I'll leave a link in the description, and I will get a commission if you choose to purchase this lock through my link. Thanks for watching.